Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. Thank you for choosing JK Tutorials. So in this today's session, we will discuss the most awaiting topic, which is CDS views. So as we have already discussed about the information models in our previous session, we have discussed about the type of joins also. Okay. So package and the basics of S4HANA we have discussed already. So today we will start the most awaiting topic, which is CDS views. What is CDS views, guys? Okay, so everyone here listen. So many people. What is CDS view? What is CDS view? Before going to CDS view definition, everything, first we will see what is this, what is the use of the CDS view? Because as you all you know, we are having the DIC view also, and we are having some views. Then why there is a need of the CDS view again in the market? Okay, so what is the CDS views? So as the word CDS, it stands for data services. Okay, so what CDS is all about actually? Okay, when in the interview somebody will ask you, hey, what is CDS? People may not ask you about CDS view. Sometimes interviewer may ask you what is CDS. Okay, remember this is an important thing to remember. Okay, people will may ask you what is CDS, not CDS view, right? So what is CDS all about? A CDS stands for core data services. So it's an extension to it is an okay, if I go it here, it is an it is an extension. It is an extension to SQL in ABAP. Okay, it's an extension to SQL. Okay, to in ABAP. Okay, which means what SQL can do in SAP, similarly what CDS can do. Okay, so what is this SQL? Okay, do you know what is this SQL? What is this? Let me write it. What is that SQL can do for us? Okay, so it can do DDL. Okay, so it can do create, update, alter, drop, truncate, right? So it can do the creation of objects for us. It can do creation of objects for us. Okay, it can do query. Okay, we can do query into this. It can do querying the data. Okay, it can do control of data. Okay, so that's what is CDS is capable. Okay, CDS is capable. So CDS is an extension of SQL in ABAP. It's extending. Okay, what it is extending? What is the CDS is extending? CDS is extending the following. Okay, so what are these terms? Is first is DDL. What is this? DDL is data definition language. Data definition language. Okay, then so which means you can create new database objects using CDS concept. So CDS view is just not for CDS view. Okay, we are just learning now what is CDS. Okay, what is this CDS can do? We can create the new object into a data object using this CDS concept. Okay, some of you know that CDS can also create a new database table. Okay, but it can create completely a new database tables using CDS. Okay, you can create a database table, but we usually don't do it. Okay, we still create the database table using SE11. Okay, but so with the CDS, you can also create the database table. Okay, just to show you an example, let me log into the Eclipse. Okay, let me open the Eclipse today. It will take some time. It's under process. Yeah, guys, let it be open. Okay, click on launch. Yeah, guys, just give me a moment. Mm, Yeah, let me log into the system. Okay, so let me log in. Okay, David, I will go to the Project Explorer only. This, this was a OIA scenario which we have seen in our previous session. We'll go there. And if I will open any CDS view, not CDS view, if I will open any, go to the control 6. Okay. Okay. So open the SCP GUI directly from here. Okay. So, guys, sorry, the system is very slow. Sorry. Okay. Go to S11. So if you will go here, you can see the Mara table is there. Okay. You can see this. So guys, what is this? This is a CDS view only, guys. Okay. So we can also create a CDS view, a table, database table using the CDS view. Is this clear? Okay. So this is what I want. So don't go with CDS views easy. It will just fetch the data. So what is this CDS is? CDS is capable of creating the tables also. Is this clear, guys? Okay, so this is the what is this, guys? This one, this is the serious definition of your database table. Okay, so if you copy paste the same code and change the table name, system will end up creating a database table for you. Are you clear? So CDS can also be used to create a database table. Okay, let me I will come back here. Okay, I will come here. What I can write here is CDS can also be used to create database table. ठीक है, create database object. Okay, okay, is this clear, guys? So CDS is not just about the view. Okay, it is an extension to of SQL. Okay, so it can do DDL, data definition language. Is this clear, guys? Hope this one is clear for everyone. The capabilities of CDS view. Okay, but do we do it? But do we use it much? No, we will. We don't use this one too much. Okay, just for creating the table using the series. Okay, we still using the SE11. Okay, but when it came up on the ABAP on cloud, you don't have access to SAP GUI. At that time, you have to create database table using CDS only. So, what is the use of this? Giving this option of CDS of creating the table whenever you will be on, as we have discussed previously. Two systems will be there. One is on premise. If I will go back, let me see. Is it there? Yeah. Mm, no, this is not there. So, one is on premise and another one is your cloud. Okay. So in cloud edition, as I told you previously also, there is no access to SAP GUI. Is this clear, guys? Okay. So, but in S4HANA, on-premise system or app on a normal system, we will still use SE11, mainly because in SE11 it's more clear, intuitive to create database table. It's more easy. It is still possible to create tables using CDS concept or data services concept. Okay, it's a new language actually. It is clear, guys. Okay, so it's a new language, simple layman terms. If you understand, it's a new language or extension to SQL in ABAP. It empowers you to do more things like what SQL can do. Similar things to did this CDS can do. All right. So next one is DQL. Okay. Yeah. Next one is DQL. What is this DQL is? Okay. Basically, this is a concept which is called CDS view. Okay. It can do the database data fetching from multiple data sources. Usually, your database table can spread across the data, spread across database tables. Multiple tables, you want to join them, connect them, and then fetch the data. That's the DQL part of it. And this that is the main concept why we use CDS views in context of S4 HANA or ABAP on HANA. This concept is known as CDS views. Okay, this is what is our data query language. Okay, so this is where the main use of this CDS views. Okay, what is this DQL is? This is our CDS concept. Okay, this is our CDS concept. What is this DQL is? This is our query language, CDS view concept. Is this clear, guys? Okay, so it's a DQL of CDS concept. So CDS is all broad umbrella, big concept, and it has one of the concept called CDS for data query language. Is this clear, guys? Okay, let me go again. The next important thing it can do is deep data extension. DEL. What is this? DEL is data expression language. Okay. So what is this? Is you can use case, function. Okay. So using CDS concept, we can write expressions within the views itself. Okay. Like case expression, we can do functions, lot of stuff. We can do currency conversion, and all that stuff we can do within the CDS. Is this clear, guys? CDS, this DL create data expression language. Inside this CDS, we can use case expressions, functions, all of those things we can do. Okay. This is a completely theory lecture, guys. Okay. In the next session, we will create some CDS views only. Okay. Don't get bored of this. Okay. This is also important for you interview purpose. So last term is DCL. What is this? DCL is data control language. Okay, it's a data control language. So what is this data control language? So data control language is basically authorization controlling the data flow from out of the system. Okay, whenever you guys are creating the CDS view. Okay, what is this DCL is? It is controlling the data with respect to authorization. Okay, these view in CDS view, these views are actually going to expose some enterprise data at sometimes. Okay, at sometimes it will display some what is that important data. So for that, this DCL is important. Okay, is this clear, guys? Okay, if I will write about DCL is data control language. This is basically authorization controlling the data flow. Okay, from where? From out of the system. Is it clear, guys? Okay, so these are some of the extensions which CDS can do. Okay, hope this one is clear, guys, for everyone. So now your main concept which is we were discussing is what is this CDS view is. Okay, now for interview purpose or for definition purpose, someone will come to you and ask you, hey, what is CDS view? Okay, if I will tell you CDS view definition, CDS can be used. Okay, so why CDS can be used? To carry the data from the CDS views can be used to query. Look, guys, just have a look into these main two terminology which I just discussed. One is CDS and another is CDS view. Please just remind this what is the CDS and CDS views. Both are different topics. Okay. CDS, you got to know about the capabilities of CDS. We can create tables using CDS. I haven't written here CDS view. Here you can see in CDS view, what can we do is I'm directly reading this. Someone will come and ask you, hey, what is CDS view? So CDS can be used to query the data from the database tables. Okay, database tables, okay, or multiple tables can also be used, even other data sources, okay, like other CDS views we can also use to query the data from the CDS from the database, okay. So CDS view is a concept is actually used to define, okay, is this clear guys? The CDS view can be used to query the data from the database tables, okay, even I will write here even other data sources also, okay, CDS views. Is this clear guys? So this is the interview question. If someone will ask you, hey, what is the CDS view? So it is used to define, what you can say is, it is used to define semantically rich data. Okay, single line answer. Okay, is important for the interview point. What you can say is, it is used to define the, it is used to define semantically rich data model. Okay, what an answer, guys. Single line answer. You must give this line to answer. Then all the question will come from there. Hey, what is the semantically rich data model? Okay. What is the semantically rich data model? If I will go back to the Eclipse again, okay, and here you can see these are some annotations, okay. That's why there are a lot of annotations in the CDS view. That's why it's known as semantically rich. It's not SC11, okay, view. Okay, in SC11 we don't have annotations. Okay, so what is this? We can only give annotations in CDS view. That's why CDS views are called semantically rich data. Is this clear, guys? If I will come back here and I can write here, we can give we can give annotations in CDS views only. Okay, that's why that's why we call call it, that's why we call it as semantically rich data models. Is this clear, guys? Hope this one is clear to everyone. CDS view concept is clear. Okay. You and in information view, you remember attribute view, analytic view, calculation view. There was no way you can give this annotation there. There is no way you can give this annotation there, and that's why we call CDS view as semantically rich data model. It is clear, guys. Hope this one is clear to you. Okay, so this one is major difference between DDIC views and our CDS views or information models. Okay, and CDS views basically they are semantically this data. Now, what is the power it gives me? Which we will see this in some time only. Okay, just give me some time for that. Is this clear, guys? So CDS view is clear. I hope this one is clear to everyone. Some types of the CDS view will see. Okay, one second, let me go there. Some types we will see. What are the some types? Basic CDS views. First, in the next session, what we will do, we will just create a basic CDS. What is this basic CDS view? We will just fetch the data from a single table. Okay, just display the data. That's all. We will not going to do anything. Then we will see CDS view with join. Okay, then CDS view with annotation. Sorry, association. Annotation in association. Annotations will be everywhere. Okay. Association. This is very important topic. Okay. CDS view with parameters. Okay. Then we will see extended CDS. What is this concept of extended CDS view? Okay. Then we will see CDS view on view. These are all some of the important terminologies which we will going to see in our coming up sessions. Okay. So in the next session, what we will do is we will go into my Eclipse system and we will go and create the Eclipse. Oh, sorry, we will go and create the CDS view. Is this clear, guys? This session is interesting for you. This for some of you it may be boring because it's completely theory. But in the next session, we will go into our system and we will create the CDS view. Okay. I hope this one is clear and. Thank you so much for this joining. Have a good day. Bye bye.